YouTubers. So today I'm fixing my idle control arm on a Kia Sportage, and the issue is, you see that part, this part, it has a bushing in it, and after a while it gets like loose. So once I move the tire, you see it's kind of loose. You hear the knocking, you see how much movement I have. So that's kind of not stable for the driving, and also for your wheel alignment and stability. So that is bad. So the solution is to get another one, a new one. Usually they sell the whole thing, the whole assembly, or you can get just the bushing and take the original out and change the bushing within it. Sometimes it's so the price difference is so kind of similar, so just get a new one. I got original for a very good price. This is the part number if you need. So you take off your wheel. First of all, you also jack it up very safely. I use jack stands and keep the other jack just in case. And then what you need is a 14 millimeter socket, or I use 40 millimeter wrench just to get it loose. It's like a pry bar if you have also, and it's better to get it loose from the inside. If you look over here, there's like 4 nuts, so each one of them you get your wrench in there and get it loose like this. Once you get it loose, then you can use I use like a stubby wrench like this, 14 millimeter. You can see. Try to focus it. Never mind. And then you can undo it much faster. So first you take off the first 2, this one and that one. You pull the bolt out, and then you have access for the other 2. Don't get it out completely until you see there is a custom nut over here. Let me focus. This is the custom nut, and there's the pin that hold it. I hope I'm spelling it right. So you see it's kind of bent, and you need to get it like straight, and then with the help of nose pliers, you just pull it on both sides. You have one over here, and the other one over here. You take it out and you put the new part in, and there you go.